Ever feel like credit cards are both a blessing and a curse? You're not alone. Let's break it down so you can decide if they're really worth it. Credit cards are everywhere, and let's face it, they're convenient. You can swipe, tap, or even just wave them to pay. But for all the ease they offer, they can be tricky to manage. Here in the US, the average person has about 4 credit cards, and it's easy to see why. They make life simpler, give us rewards, and even help build credit. But they can also lead to debt if you're not careful. So, how do you make sure credit cards work for you and not against you? Let's talk about it in simple terms. Think of a credit card like borrowing money from a friend, but with one big catch: if you don't pay it back on time, they charge you. And let me tell you, that interest can add up fast. Here's a relatable example. Say you buy a new laptop for $1,000 using a credit card. You think, I'll just pay it off later. But if your card has a 20% interest rate and you only make the minimum payment each month, that $1,000 laptop could end up costing you hundreds more over time. On the flip side, credit cards can be super helpful. They're great for emergencies, like unexpected car repairs or medical expenses. They also offer rewards, cashback, travel points, or discounts. But here's the thing, those perks only matter if you pay off your balance in full each month. The danger is when credit cards make spending feel too easy. Have you ever bought something and thought, I'll figure it out later? That's how debt starts. And in the US, with so much advertising and temptation around us, it's easy to swipe now and regret it later. But credit cards aren't the enemy. They're just a tool. The key is how you use them. If you're careful paying on time, spending within your means, and avoiding unnecessary purchases, you can use credit cards to your advantage. So here's the takeaway: credit cards can be a helpful tool or a costly mistake. The difference lies in how you manage them. Keep it simple, pay off your balance every month, avoid overspending, and focus on building your credit, not your debt. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button and subscribing for more straightforward tips on managing your money. Got questions about credit cards or want to share your experience? Drop it in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.